The right speaker of the Elite Plus is detachable. When you detach the right speaker, the Elite Plus becomes a single speaker headset. To remove the speaker, simply hold down the block firmly with one hand, leave some slack on the speaker, then place your thumb over the arrow and slide up until you hear it click. To place the speaker back in, again, leave some slack on the arrow block, align the grooves in the headset block, then slide down until you hear it click. If you don't hear any sound coming from the right speaker, it means the speaker was not properly placed. Just simply take it off again and place it back in.